Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But Shipai % ka Jingïaid. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Ka Ophis jong ka Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District haka khatar tarik ujemang 8,000 arpsan. Kala pelong da ka bait rally ban ai Burom ya ki Shipai bat ban penpau ya ka jingdon lang bat ki Shipai ki bayada hakmat yo put usam jongkari. Kani kasin jam balalam khmat da ka Deputy Commissioner ka kong RM Kurba kalong ban penpau ya ka jing Burom ya ka jinglen ladi bat a ka jing sakri bala ai tilot da ki Shipai kari ki baya kon persya ya ki leno bat ya ki bor Shipai jongkari Pakistan. Ya ka Jingïaid rally la kawe lama na golfling da u additional Deputy Commissioner uba Shanbor lang warjri bad lapan kot pat hapalau jong ka State Central Library hakabala saki lang da ka Deputy Commissioner ka kong RM Kurba.
I would like to extend our heartiest gratitude to the Royal Enfield Riders of Meghalaya, the association who has very generously agreed to come with us in this very noble cause, and also to the My Lady Riders Squad who have agreed to come and be part of the rally of the bikes which we are initiating on behalf of the district administration in solidarity with the Indian Army. We are doing this bike rally to show our support to the Indian Armed and Paramilitary Forces in the present scenario where we are facing external aggression from outside sources and anti-social elements. So as a sign of solidarity, we are organizing this bike rally today. The bike rally will commence from here and will proceed towards South Furlong, IGP, go to Police Bazaar and then move back towards State Central Library, go to Laimukra and come back from St. Edmunds to Civil Hospital and back to State Central Library where we will be ending the bike rally. So as part of us Indian citizens, we wanted to show this solidarity with the Indian Armed Forces and the Paramilitary Forces, and we wish through your participation the message of unity in diversity will be spread across to all the citizens of the country. And with that, I would like to flag off today's rally. 2, 3.